I don't know if you guys can hear the humming. So I'm taking this test video just to make sure. I still have this sticker from the library. Taking maybe 12 more seconds to see if people can hear the hum. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try to see. There are lots of them in these bushes. In the sign. On the sign, I'm sorry. See some of their husks there. There's some on my back right now. The humming of the cicadas. My neighbor described it as a gun from Star Trek. It is definitely not similar at all to the cicadas that we get back like in August, the annual ones. I like the sound though. Cicadas by M. Night Shyamalan. The twist is that they're aliens. It's Cell from Dragon Ball Z. If you're wondering what that drumming sound is, it's a woodpecker, as well as the other chirping sound. It's a woodpecker, I think. No, maybe not. So far, the loudest sound that I can hear comes from that side. But I'm not walking through all that because the last time I did something like that, I ended up having my clothes covered in ticks. So no thank you. They're all up in that tree. That tree. They're all up in those trees. I'll keep walking to see if there's a place I can hear them louder. So I am here a few hours later, and you can definitely hear them now, and you can see them too. But the ones here aren't making any sound, and probably out of focus because I'm using the backward facing camera. I'm gonna walk around and just let the sound happen. Pretty loud. I think I'm getting a little bit closer to where they mostly are congregated. Watching out for roots. Roots and more roots. So here we go. The next time the 17-year cicadas come out, I will be 59 years old. If you see anything fluffy flying near me, it's from the cattails. This is as close to National Geographic Sounds of Nature as it can get. I hope you enjoy the sounds. The forward-facing camera does have a higher quality of video. The big problem that happens to me sometimes is that when I transfer it to the internet, it pixelates some of it. So if anybody has any suggestions on how to make that upload smoother, let me know. But you're hearing the 17-year Brood X cicadas, as well as other cicadas and red-winged blackbirds and catbirds and other creatures of the forest.